This Remax Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Katie Hensley. Super cute ranch-style home with low-maintenance front yard. Kitchen offers custom cedar/maple cabinets with ledgestone backsplash, loads of counter space, tile floor and eat bar. Living room with fireplace insert, hardwood bamboo flooring throughout. Huge master suite with walk-in closet. Fenced backyard with apple and cherry trees, extra large lot for the 33 by 22 shop with 220 volts. RV parking and hookups. Oh, and a chicken. You won't want to miss out on this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Hensley at 541-425-7494.